Well, my friends, this is a case of aphasia. This patient, this gentleman, aged about 40 years, Ghulam Mustafa Sheikh, resided at Murshidabad district of West Bengal. He has been suffering from aphasia, total aphasia, for last 1 year, for which he has treated with a variety of allopathic doctors with numbers of investigations. Packet dikhao. Show the packet. Packet. So, various treatment he has done without any result. Investigations: left-sided glottic neoplasm, deviated nasal septum to the right, and on laryngoscopy it has been found that he has developed on polyp. Not only that, he has developed right-sided inguinal hernia. So this present symptomatology of the patient: left-sided glottic neoplasm tumor, nasal septum deviation, laryngeal polyp, and inguinal hernia. All these 4 diseases belong to psychosis. Not only that, at the past history of the patient, there is worse and respiratory distress. তোমার আঁচিল ছিল, কোথায় ছিল? Words here and there. Not only that, it is his elder brother who suffered from also dyspnea. তোমার হাঁপানি ছিল. So in the family history, there is asthma. In the past history of the patient, there was asthma. There was words here and there. And the present symptomatology: tumor at the epiglottic region, nasal polyp, inguinal hernia, and deviated nasal septum, all belongs to psychosis dyscrasia. So the patient is psychotic. So we need an antipsychotic medicine to prescribe. Now, among the antipsychotic medicines, what medicine we will choose? The patient is chilly, sweat, profuse perspiration during sleeping. Even at winter, this is the winter season, the patient sleeps much during his sleep. এই শীতকালেও রাত্রে ঘাম হয়, তুমি বলেছো রাত্রে ঘুমের মধ্যে. So you know, through the occidentalis and conium maculatum are the 2 important drugs where profuse perspiration during sleeping is found. Not only that, the patient has developed fear of ghosts and sensation as if someone following from behind. So present mental symptoms: sensation as if someone following from behind, such a fixed idea, such fear, with profuse perspiration during sleep, and the patient is chilly, indicates Thuda is the choice of drug. So this is the art of prescription, which I have shown you that miasmatic analysis, miasmatic prescription is very essential. And without miasmatic prescription, without anti-miasmatic treatment, you won't be able to cure any case, any chronic disease. This is our motto. So for aphonia, you may prescribe causticum, any mother tinctures, matters little. The patient will not improve. Totalistic view, the holistic view, the total symptoms collection is the main motto of our homeopathic treatment. So once again, I am repeating you boldly, strongly, and confidently: without the totality of symptoms, without an anti-miasmatic medicine, you won't be able to cure any single constitutional disease, chronic disease. This is my earnest appeal to my junior fellows, to my junior friends, to the junior homeopaths throughout the whole globe. Please treat the patient, not the disease, on the holistic way, on the totality of symptoms, on considering the patient as a whole, not his part of the disease, nor his legs, nor his eyes, nor his tongue. So the patient as a whole, the man as a whole, in the holistic way, in the totality way, then and then only we will succeed in homeopathic practice.